Got a bullhead catfish. I haven't caught one of these in decades. Check it out. Bullhead catfish. It took the rubber power bait. Check it out. The pink power bait. Just a little 1.5-inch piece. That's a bullhead. Neat. Let's get back now. A little bigger, I would eat it. Grab them underneath so you don't get spined. Oh, let go. It's unhooked, but it won't let go. They have strong mouths. There we go. Just put it back now. That is neat. So there's a big, over 12 inches bass right in there. And it's just loaded with little sunnies. Anyway, that was fun. Came down here to get a little bit of mint. There's some right over here. The one on the dam is actually dying. And here's some right here. This looks better than the mint on the dam. I'll get some mint. Alright, we caught a fish, catfish. I haven't caught one in decades. We got some mint to take home. Fish gets to go home. Nice handful of mint. Peppermint. I like the peppermint better than the spearmint. Yes.